Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Amazon Flex blocks faster. Securing delivery blocks quickly can significantly boost your earnings. We will cover essential strategies to help you find and accept more opportunities. By optimizing your approach, you can increase your chances of getting desirable blocks. This guide provides practical tips to enhance your Amazon Flex experience and maximize your daily income. Timing is crucial when trying to secure Amazon Flex blocks. Many drivers report that blocks frequently appear around the hour mark or sometimes 15 minutes before. Make it a habit to refresh your offers screen constantly, especially during peak hours. Being quick to tap and accept is vital, as desirable blocks can disappear in less than 1 second. Consistency in checking the app will pay off. Optimizing your app settings and physical location can give you a significant advantage. Always enable push notifications for instant offers, as these can be highly lucrative. Being within a few miles of a distribution center increases your visibility for local blocks. A fast, reliable internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or cellular, is essential for quick loading and acceptance. Regularly update your app for the best performance. Your driver standing plays a key role in block availability. Aim for excellent or great to potentially see more offers. Consistently accepting and successfully completing blocks builds a positive history with Amazon Flex. Explore various block types, including instant offers, which can appear unexpectedly and offer good rates. Developing a daily routine for checking the app at strategic times will help you stay ahead of the competition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.